to you, Charlie and Rachel. Good morning to you at home as well. Yes, temperatures still well above average for this time of year. In fact, by as much as about 5 to 7 degrees above what we'd expect for late October. Through the weekend then, still mild, particularly today, not so much so tomorrow. And there will be some rain around at times. So we've got low pressure, which is really anchored out here in the Atlantic. It's been sitting there for quite a while now, throwing weather fronts across the UK, but also bringing this really mild southerly or southwesterly flow of air. And that is bringing us those very mild temperatures. Certainly frost-free out there this morning for all of us. We've got a lot of cloud across the bulk of England and Wales. This area of rain is pushing its way northwards through the day, so pushing through Northern Ireland and Northern England through the middle part of the morning, reaching the central belt of Scotland by around about lunchtime. The northern half of Scotland staying dry with some sunshine for much of the day, and further south it'll brighten up this afternoon. So in that sunshine, 22 degrees likely down towards the London area and East Anglia too. Could be a few more showers just pushing in across Northern Ireland and Wales too, one or two perhaps rumbles of thunder. That area of rain and possible thunderstorms pushes northwards across Scotland through this evening and tonight too. So mostly dry overnight, but the winds are going to pick up and there will be a few showers just pushing in across parts of Northern Ireland into Wales and the southwest too. But look at those overnight temperatures, 10 to 14 degrees. So yes, that mild theme is continuing overnight. And don't forget, it's overnight tonight that the clocks are going to go back by 1 hour. So the end of British summertime, and certainly the weather feeling a little bit more autumnal as we head from Sunday onwards. So a largely dry start to the day again tomorrow. We have got some sunshine around, a little bit cloudier for East Anglia and the southeast. A weak weather front bringing the odd splash of light rain here. And then further west also some showers moving in. Could be the odd thunderstorm for Northern Ireland, parts of Scotland, western parts of England and Wales too. Driven through quite quickly on those brisk southerly winds. But you will notice the strength of the wind. In fact, we could see gusts reaching 40, possibly touching 50 miles per hour around exposed coasts and hills towards the west. Not quite as windy further east, but temperatures down a notch. So we're looking at 13 to 17, still above average tomorrow, but some places about 5 degrees cooler than today. And then as we move through Sunday night and on into Monday, then we're going to start to see more weather fronts moving their way in from the Atlantic. And that sets us up for a bit of a different week next week. Not as warm as it has been, often quite windy, rain at times, and certainly those temperatures just taking a little bit of a dip. So this is how it's looking Monday to Friday next week. Plenty of shower symbols on the chart, particularly towards the north and the west. But what you'll really notice is those very mild temperatures we've seen are going to start to turn a little bit cooler through the course of the week. Charlie and Rachel.